this lock doesn't fit in my main gate, so I just need to adjust this one. I'm trying to cut this piece so it will adjust in the main door. This is how we are adjusting the lock. It doesn't fit according to our main door, so we have to cut off all the bits and pieces. Okay, this is how we go. Yesterday I tried to put this lock with my brother. We thought we did it right, but now later on we realized there was too many problems. The lock wasn't right, so we tried to fix the lock. Like, this was meant to be other way around, but because this one doesn't fit in here, so we put it like this. However, there was a hole on the other side, so that the lock will fit in. So I make this hole with the drill so that the lock will exactly fit in. However, after that we make the hole this side, but this was completely on the wrong one. Like, first of all I made this one, and the second one I made this one also. This is not right because this is too far. When you put the lock, it wasn't parallel. It was, like, you know, slightly tilted. So today I will try to fix it. So what I'm planning to do, I'm gonna put a piece of wood here, shift this one closer to the border, and then make one more hole here. Hopefully that will work. I found a piece of wood in my gardens. I don't know if I can use it, but I'll try. To chop a small piece just right here, so I can put at the back of this lock and then screw them together to the wall. So let me chop this and find out if it's the correct one or if I need to use something else. छिटाइ चाहिँ आज फिनिस गर्नुपर्छ यसलाई। Finally I chop it off. It was a hard job. Now hopefully this will work. It's a nice cut, isn't it? I actually need to trim this one, so what I'm using is one of these. That's the potato peeler. So let's see how it goes. Just taking out the rubbish and just making it a little bit thinner. Now, finally it's done. We have used a piece of wood and this is all ready now. All good. Now we just need to put the hanger on the other side. Okay, finally it's done. Alright, close the door. Alright, now open the door. Push this lock. That's it. Okay, that's how we do it, baby. Okay, yeah. See this piece of wood? The lock has been modified completely. Push. Okay, now open the door. That's it. Cheers.